Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this beautiful 2023 Toyota Tundra. This is a limited 6.5 Crew Max. So you have like limo-like rear seat accommodations. This has a 6.5 foot bed. And with a limited trim, this thing is very nicely equipped with features. The limited sits right in the middle of the grade walk. It's not the most loaded, 1794 edition. It's not the most basic. It's right there, smack dab in the middle. Very nicely equipped with features. We have the original build sheet on this one. 2023 is a great year for the Tundra because in 2022 it got a complete ground up redesign. The previous generation Tundra, they facelifted it and updated it, but that basic platform was about 14 years old by the time they did a redesign in 2022. So it was well overdue for a major redesign because this pickup truck market is very competitive. You have some amazing competitors from Ram, GMC, the GMC Sierra, the Chevy Silverado, and obviously the Ram 1500 are amazing pickup trucks. And this one has its work cut out for it. And Toyota is definitely up to task. They made some changes. Some of those changes might be a little bit controversial for some. For one, there's no longer a V8 engine available in the Tundra. You can either get a twin turbo V6 or you can get a turbo V6 with hybrid. This doesn't have the hybrid. This has a twin turbo V6, but it makes more power. There's one turbo V6 that's 350 horsepower. This is 389 horsepower. It's paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Pretty quick, 0 to 60, right around 6 seconds, a little over 6 seconds. And towing capability is close to 12,000 pounds when properly equipped. I'm not sure which engine you need. Maybe you need the bigger hybrid engine for the full 12,000 pounds, but honestly, when it's time to tow 12,000 pounds, I think it's time for a 3/4 pickup truck. I would want to push a truck that far, a half-ton pickup truck like this. Maybe 8 to 10,000 pounds is kind of more in line with something like this, but that's just my opinion. I'm not a towing expert. We have the original build sheet on this one. Obviously, you have a lot of standard equipment with the Limited, but this does have some optional equipment. This has the TRD off-road package. That was $3,050, giving you 20-inch TRD alloy wheels with all-terrain tires, the off-road bedside decal, off-road suspension with Bilstein shocks and skid plates, mud guards, red TRD engine start button, TRD leather shift knob, aluminum sport pedals, electronically controlled locking rear differential, multi-terrain select control system, so you have crawl control and downhill assist control. This color, this lovely shade of wind chill pearl, was a $425 premium color. The heated leather steering wheel was $150. Black emblem overlay, $150. All-weather floor liners, $179. Spray and bed liner, $599. And tailgate insert in black, that is $89. Original MSRP is $61,282. We have a complimentary copy of this build sheet available on our website, so you can peruse it yourself. This thing's a clean Carfax vehicle, only 11,724 miles on it. It's in pretty much near new condition, hardly a mark on it. So if you like the options and color combination, it might be a great alternative over a brand new one. We have these very comfortable, supportive leather seats. They're heated and ventilated. We have a nice column-mounted shifter to control that 10-speed automatic transmission. We have a push-button selector knob for the four-wheel drive system, so you have two-wheel drive high, and it's got a traditional 2-speed transfer case with low range. We have a drive mode selector, tow haul mode. These are crawl controlled. Really amazing camera. Look at this 360 camera. It's like a drone flying over it. So, this is a big truck. So having these cameras is great for low speed maneuvering. Pretty amazing. A lot of different selectability. Looks like there's like an off-road camera too. And it tells you, the degrees of up and down and left to right. Nice leather wrap steering wheel. The steering wheel is also heated. Tinted windows all around, and beautiful color combination with the white exterior and this nice black interior. Of course, we have the aluminum pedals that come with the TRD package, the all-weather mats. Has these nice aftermarket side steps as well, making it easier, especially for the kids and stuff, if you're going to use this as a family vehicle to get in and out. For people shorter in stature, it's always nice to have those side steps. And like I said, it's like limo-like rear seat accommodations back here. And then you can fold the seats up, and you have additional storage underneath the seats, which is nice. I love the styling on the Tundra. It kind of reminds me of like a Tonka truck I used to play with when I was a kid. And now they made a full-size Tonka truck for adults. There's that fantastic twin turbo V6, 389 horsepower, a lot of power, 0 to 60 a little over 6 seconds. We have a chip card clear bra, which is a clear scratch guard material, protecting the front from stone and rock chips. These things are great. Usually they retail for over $1,000, but luckily the previous owner put it on this one, so it's something you're not gonna have to pay extra for. There's those nice TRD black wheels. Tinted windows goes really nicely with the white exterior, nice contrasting colors. We have the door edge guard as well. Then there's that optional spray and bed liner. TRD decals on the side. We have the tow hitch. And there you have it, a beautiful example of a 2023 Tundra Limited. The TRD package, 6.5 foot bed, which is a lot more practical than the smaller beds. If you're gonna actually use these things as a pickup truck, those smaller beds really kind of limit you, so having at least a 6.5 foot bed, I think, makes a big difference as far as using it for truck duty. We have some great promotions going on right now. Complimentary delivery to Washington, Oregon, and Idaho. We can put this in our car hauler. We can tow it to you. So for a mobile delivery service, this beautiful Tundra can be all yours without leaving your neighborhood or your driveway. Contact us for more information, and thanks for watching this video.